Hi, and welcome to this construction update. Sandwich Street is under a one-lane restriction during daytime hours, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., for approximately 10 weeks, started in April 2024. This is the final phase of road construction on Sandwich Street by Bridging North America, the company building the Gordie Howe Bridge. The one-lane closures will occur in segments along Sandwich Street between Chappell Avenue and Chewett Street, a stretch of about 500 meters. Access to residences, businesses, and pedestrian walkways will be maintained, but street parking will be prohibited. So if you travel in that direction, add a few minutes for significant but temporary daytime lane closures on Sandwich Street in 2024, as the final roadwork associated with the massive new cross-border bridge project is completed. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.